Hi, my name is Lauren Hardy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can get started in wholesaling with no money. So I started real estate investing when I was completely broke. And if I could do it, so can you. So in today's video, we are going to do a We Have $0 wholesaling challenge. I am going to show you exactly how you can wholesale your first deal with having no money for marketing or anything. So listen up, and I'm going to get very, very micro with you. So make sure you get a pen and a paper down. I'm going to show you exactly how you can close your first deal wholesaling with no money. Step number one, look up houses that are listed on the market that are investor specials or fixer uppers. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Zillow.com and you are going to pick a territory of choice. Maybe start out in your own backyard, or if you're me, you can go virtual. And I want you to look up the houses for sale that are fixer-uppers. So a little trick is that you can search by keyword in Zillow. So start looking up keywords like investor special or investor or cash only. If you put some of those keywords in there, you're only going to see the properties that have those keywords in the description. So those are the type of homes you want to go for. Look for like fixer uppers, fixer, handyman special, those types of keywords. And I want you to reach out to all of the agents that you see that pop up on Zillow. You can do this every single day. Now, step two is make at least 5 offers a day with this list that you have. So I want you to make at minimum 5 offers a day. Why 5? Because goals are good. I think you should set some goals. If you don't set a goal, you're not really gonna you maybe might make 1 offer a day, and that's not enough, all right? You'll buy like 1 house a year that way. You need to do at least 5 offers a day if you wanna buy 1 house a month. If you wanna get to your first wholesale deal, let's say in the next 30 days, 5 offers a day will get you there. As you're making these offers, I want you to reach out to the agents and have conversations with them. Ask them, where do I need to be to get this deal? They're gonna help you with pricing. If you build a good rapport with these agents, they're going to wanna, make it work for you because they don't wanna really have to be marketing this house much longer than they really need to. They make money when they sell houses. So build some rapport with those agents and follow up on those 5 offers. So the next day, follow up on the offer you made the day before. And if the agent says, hey, you're off on pricing, you came in too low, ask them, where do I need to be at, and see if they'll reveal that information. If you keep striking out, so let's say you have now made 20 offers on 20 different homes and you still haven't gotten anything, you need to look at the pricing that you're using, the model, or what you're doing for your offer prices. Where are you going wrong here? You're probably offering too low. Now, what you can do is you can ask other buyers in the area how they price their homes. Ask them, what is your investment criteria? What kind of return do you need? Can you help me comp a couple homes? I'm struggling here. Maybe show them some of the properties that you made offers on and show them what you offered and see if they would have offered the same thing. You might need to go back to the drawing board and educate yourself a little bit. The most common mistake people make is that they offer too low. So make sure you're not offering too low and just keep going at it. So you make an offer on a home, but you need to follow up after that. Don't just make an offer and then never follow up. Make an offer, follow up. Even if the realtor says that the property is now under contract, check back in a week later because a lot of these deals fall through. They say about 50% of escrows fall through. So you've got to look at it like there's 50% chance that that deal is going to blow up. So when it does, you're the one that swoops in because you followed up the most, right? That's how you get deals. You have to make sure that you're following up on your offers. So remember, this is a numbers game, and eventually you are going to get an accepted offer. Now, what do? Step 3. Now you have an accepted offer, but you need a buyer, right? So alongside of reaching out to agents, making a ton of offers every day, I want you to start building a buyer base. I want you to try and reach out to at least 5 buyers a day. I want you to add these buyers to your database, and as soon as you get an accepted offer, you're gonna go talk to your favorite buyers and show them this deal and see who's interested. If you do that, you will be able to put that deal together. You want to make sure that you got the property under contract at a price that means that you can sell it and there's still a little assignment fee right in the middle. So if you are both contacting 5 buyers a day and building rapport and building that buyers list, you can absolutely do that for free. And you're also making offers off of these homes that you're finding on Zillow. Again, all these things are done for free. You now just got to your first wholesale deal with $0 invested. So let me give you a couple tips on how to find the best buyers. So you can also do that for free. I have ways that you can do it and pay, but I also have ways you can do it for free. My favorite way to find buyers is on Facebook. Look up the local real estate investment association's Facebook page. That is where all the buyers are hanging out. So make sure that you are looking on that page, you're networking with people there. Another ninja trick is go to www.gosection8.com and reach out to anybody who has a rental property listed in your city of interest on that website and see if they're buying more deals. From that alone, you should easily be able to reach out to 5 buyers a day, no problem. So that's it, guys. All of these tools in this video are completely free. Let me know if you have any questions. I truly believe that you don't have to have a ton of money to get started in wholesaling. I personally had no money when I got started, so I know it's possible. Let me know in the comments what you guys are struggling with here. I want to hear it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want some freebies, I've got a free wholesaling mini course at www.laurenhardyco.com. Check it out in the show notes. And thank you guys so much for watching.